If you retired and looking up option for income, you've heard about both of these, cash secure put or cover call, and they both get sold to you the same way, safe income. But here, that's nobody tell you. They are not the same tools. They do almost opposite thing. And if you reach for the wrong one for your situation, it quietly costs you. By the end of this video, you know exactly which one fit you, and it come down to a single question. Hi, my name's David. I'm a retired trader, and on this channel I talk about options the way I actually use them. No hype, no get rich nonsense. Here's the plan. I will explain both strategy in plain English, and then I'll put them side by side, and the cover call trade I walked through last week, the real one, that's going to make this concrete. Okay, let's start with the cash secure put. A cash secure put is simple. One, you cut out through all the jargon. You are getting paid today to agree to buy a stock at a set price if it falls to that price. Let me use a round number. Say the stock trading, say for example Apple trading at $48, and it's a stock you generally be happy to own. That's parts matter. Hold that thought. You sell or put at $45, right? And agree to that. You collect a premium, cash in your account right now. The words cash secure just mean you set aside the money to actually buy the share. $4,500 for 100 share. So you never cut short. Now, two things can happen. Once the stock stay above 45, the put expire. You keep the premium free and clear, and you didn't have to buy anything. Two, the stock drop below 45, you buy the share at 45. But remember, that was a price you already decide you were happy to pay, and you keep the premium on top, so your real cost is even lower. Here's a key idea, write this one down. A cash secure put is a tool for when you want to acquire stock. It's an entry tool. It pays for you to wait for the price. Now with the cover call, and last week I showed you one of these for real. It was on the stock ticker ESI, and if you watched that video, you saw the whole thing. I'm not going to reteach all this here, but I want to pull out the essence because it's the mirror image of what we talked about. With that cover call, I already own the share, and I got paid premium upfront to agree to sell those shares at a higher price. Same two outcome structure, but just flip. Once the stock stay below my sell price, the call expire and I keep the premium and I keep my share. Two, the stock rise above my sell price, my share gets sold, call away at higher price, I lock in again and I keep the premium on top. So here, the mirror image key idea. A cover call is a tool for you when you already own the stock. It's an income tool. It pay you while you hold. So now, side by side, this is the part that actually answers the question in the title. And notice, I'm not going to tell you which one earn more. That's the wrong question. They are not competing for the same job. Here, the right question. The only one that's matter. Do you want to acquire a stock, or do you already own one? That's it. That's the whole decision. It's the stock you'd like to own, but you want a better price. It's cash secure put. It pay for you to wait at the door. If you already hold a stock and you wanted to generate income while you're holding it, it's cover call. It pays you for the share you already got. So acquire, put, holding, call. Now, a few honest thing retiree need to wait beyond just that. A cash secure put tied up your cash. Your collateral is sitting there reserved. A cover call tied up share. The stock rocket past your strike, you don't get that extra upside. Each one has a cost. Neither is free money. And the most important thing, this is true for both. Neither strategy, rescue or bad, stop speak. If you sell a put on a company you don't actually want to own and it drops, now you own a company which you don't want to. You sell a call on the stock you bought badly, The premium is a small comfort. The strategy is the easy part. The stop underneath, it is the real decision, and that's the whole separate video, and I will make it later on. So let me bring this home. Cash secure put and cover call are not rival. They are two for two different jobs. Are you trying to get into the stock at better price? That's a cash secure put. Are you trying to earn income on the stock which you already hold? That's the cover call. Acquiring, put, holding, call. If you remember nothing else, remember that. On Tuesday, I will be back with the next one. If this helped, a subscribe genuinely make a difference for a small channel like this one. And tell me in the comment which of these are you more likely to use first, and what stock are you thinking about when you picture using it. I read every comment and I generally like to know. Please note, all content is for educational purpose only. I'm David. I'll see you on Tuesday.